In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or add a profile picture in Slack. As you can see, I have here a profile picture. Let me show you how I was able to add this. To do this, go to your Slack workspace and then head down here, enter your profile icon. If you don't have an image, it will be blank or represented by a letter. So go ahead and click on your profile icon here and then click on profile. Once you are here, now you should be able to see your profile image here. To change your profile image, go ahead and click on edit, and then we have an option to change or upload a new profile image here. So go ahead and click on upload or remove should you want to remove it. But to change it to a new one, go ahead and click on upload, and this will take you to your computer where you should be able to choose any image that you want to add, and then click on open, and your image will be uploaded instantly. Once you're done, now click on save changes and you should be able to see your new profile image. So that's how you can change your profile image in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.